Hello, today we're going to teach you how to install a roller shade.
The first step to installing a roller shade is to check the levelness from the bottom of your sill to the top of your window on the left side and right side.
Now you're ready to install your brackets.
Next, I'm going to measure the bottom of the window to the bottom of my bracket. Next, measure from the bottom of your window on the opposite side to the exact same measurement from the top.
Once you install your brackets, you're ready to install your roller shade.
Your final step will be to install the fascia.